Now read the question. The figure shows a circuit containing three resistors, a 12-volt power supply, and an ammeter. Calculate the current in the 4-ohm resistor. Now start this question. And we need to find the current in the 4-ohm resistor. Voltage divides in series. Current is the same. So what we can do, we can find the effective resistance 400 plus 200 plus 100, 700, and then use Ohm's law. Power has formulas I square R, V square upon R. Power has different formulas. So please attempt part number A and let me know the answer. Correct. And then calculate power also. There are different formulas of power. There are different formulas of power. Power has a formula QV upon T. Power has a formula VI. Power has a formula I square R. And power has a formula V square upon R. So these are the formulas. You can check these formulas. A student, now read the question, remaining question. I have posted this paper on the group and because these are the new papers. A student uses all of the components shown in the figure in another circuit. She connects them so that there is the largest possible current in each resistor. The current in one of the resistor is larger than the current in the other two resistor. The student connect the ammeter into the circuit to measure the current in this resistor. Draw the circuit diagram of the arrangement. Now remember that the word is largest possible current. Now you remember that current is maximum in parallel because resistance is minimum. So it means the examiner is looking for parallel combination. Examiner is looking for parallel combination. So make a circuit in parallel. Join these three resistors. and you have to connect the voltmeter. You have to connect the voltmeter resistors. Now, why 100 ohm? That answer is right. But why 100 ohm? Because least resistance will have maximum current. So this is the right answer. Draw the circuit diagram. No, I think it's not ammeter. Is it ammeter? We have to connect an ammeter or voltmeter. Ammeter is always in series. Ammeter. So ammeter is always in series. Ammeter is always connected in series. Now, open the paper, June 2023, paper is 22. Open this paper. Now open this question, question number 6. Take out this question. The figure shows an electric circuit containing a filament lamp, a resistor R, a 12-volt battery, and 5 meters. The reading on ammeter A1 is 0.25, on voltmeter V1 is 3. Determine the reading on the other meter. In series, current is the same. So all meters, ammeter will take the same reading. If this is reading 0.25, it will be reading the same. It will be reading the same. In series, voltage is divided. Total voltage is 12 volt. It is taking up 3 volt. So it will take 12 minus 3, that is 9 volt. So see the working of the first part and fill the box. Compare your answer. In series, current is the same. In series, current is the same. So we are getting current on the same value on the 3 meters. In series, voltage is divided and conserved. You have to copy this. Then he says, calculate the resistance of resistance R. Calculate the resistance of resistance R. ये वाला देखो resistor. You have to find the resistance of this resistor. So how we can find the resistance of this resistor? We have the currents, we have the voltage, and it's simple that we should use Ohm's law. Yes, very good. Asad, your answers are not coming up. To look at the simple working, find the resistance. You're right, but if you get an answer, you can tell on the mic also. You can write the answers in the chat for when I ask the question, then obviously you can answer. You're not supposed to write all answers in the chat, but when I ask a question like how we should do it, then you should tell. Okay, we move forward. He says the resistor obeys Ohm's law. What is Ohm's law? Ohm's law says that voltage and current are directly proportional provided temperature is constant. Ohm's law says that when voltage and current are directly proportional provided temperature is constant. It's a 2-mark question. Now we move to our next question, next part. The figure shows the current voltage graph for the filament lamp. This is a filament lamp. And the battery in the figure is replaced with a different battery which has a different EMF. The voltage across the lamp increases to 6 volts. How much was the voltage before? It was 3 volt and now it has become 6 volt. He's asking the new EMF. He's asking the EMF of the new battery. Use data from the graph to determine the EMF of the second battery. Show your working. Now read the question and try to answer this. Let me know once you get an answer. To make a plan for this paper, sorry, this part of the question, and from the graph, you can read 6 volt. From 6 volt, you should read the current, and using the current, you should find the total current in the circuit, total voltage in the circuit, and the total voltage will be the answer. From 6 volt, read the new current, use a circuit. I have drawn the circuit for my convenience. Find the resistance of the lamp and then the total resistance and then solve it to find the voltage. Thirty-six was our part 2 answer. complete this working. I'm just coming, complete this working. Let me know once you people are done about this part. Now, close the past paper work and open your notes register. We were doing electromagnetism. Within electromagnetism, we were doing solenoid. Electromagnetism is a bigger chapter, and in our last class, we were doing electromagnetism solenoid. This is the top view of a solenoid. If you view the solenoid from the top, it is on the table and you want to view it from the top, it is called the top view of the solenoid. So I'm putting the first concept today for today, that the determination of polarity of a solenoid. Give this heading. सॉरी आपको संडे को डिस्टर्ब कर रहा हूँ। मुझे बस हेल्प चाहिए थी कि मैंने ये वाले स्पीकर लिए थे, इन पर इन्होंने ना प्लास्टिक लगाया हुआ है, तो ये प्लास्टिक लगा रहने दूं या हटा दूं, आवाज की क्वालिटी पे कोई फर्क पड़ेगा? दूसरा, जितनी पावर की ये है, उस पावर में क्या मुझे कोई ब्रांडेड के भी स्पीकर मिल सकते हैं जिसमें आवाज की, इसमें आवाज लाउड तो है लेकिन मैं चाह रहा था कि इसमें थोड़ी सी क्वालिटी भी बेहतर हो, तो ऐसा कोई सेट अवेलेबल आप मुझे कल बता दीजिएगा। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।